Hi guys, this is Chris Motton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this review I'm going through the Alpari binary options trading platform and broker. So Alpari has been around since 2008, mainly through their Forex trading platform, but in reality their binary options has only been released in the last year or so. So that company is called Alpari Limited, and they're actually have a few offices around the world and a few financial licenses around the world, one being the Belize financial license and the other one the St. Vincent's and Grenades, which is a province of the West Indies. So they both have those financial licenses. So their actual binary options trading platform is a relatively new software platform out there by a company called Binary Station. It's not too bad. It's the only platform I've seen on this particular software. It's the only broker I've seen use this particular software. So the returns are up to 100%. So you can get actual returns up to 100%, usually on the longer expiry times. When you do choose a smaller expiry time, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, you'll probably see returns more in the 80% range. So there is no minimum deposit and there is no minimum withdrawal amount. Their minimum trade starts from $5. They don't accept USA residents. They do have a demo version of the trading platform, which is just on their homepage, and that just gives you 10,000 credits. So it's a good way to trial their software, to see how it works, get familiar with it. As far as I can see, they only have one base currency, which is USD. So moving on to the deposit and withdrawal methods. So you can deposit via credit card, debit cards, wire transfer, Skrill, NetTeller, WebMoney, and you can also do account-to-account transfers. So we'll move on to the pros and cons. So the pros are that really are being their deposit and withdrawal limits, which is basically they don't have any. So you can deposit as much or as small as you want. They're offering higher returns across a greater range of expiry times, and they guarantee to process your withdrawals within 1 business day. So that's a good positive aspect there. In regards to the cons, that they do have some banking fees with every transaction. So every deposit and withdrawal you make, you may be charged additional fees, and some of them are percentage-based ones. So it's a percentage of your actual deposit and withdrawal. So just be aware of that. They've got it clearly marked on their page. We go to their banking method section. So just have a look at that. So make sure you're aware of that. And another thing that probably is a con is that they have limited assets. They only offer currently 17 Forex pairs and only 2 metals. But if you're only trading the major Forex pairs, that definitely got those covered. So we'll move on to the deposit and withdrawal policy. So it's pretty standard. So the client, which is you, shall have the right to withdraw funds from your account at any time by sending their withdrawal request or internal funds transfer request to another account belonging to you. It's like a real, when you go into the terms, it's real, technical jargon, the way that they write it. But basically, it's just saying you have to use their withdrawal request form and go through those requirements. So you may need to provide some identification of who you are before they can process your withdrawal. They don't have a bonus as such. They actually have more like a loyalty scheme or a loyalty bonus. They don't actually offer a matching bonus to your deposit, which is great anyway. I don't think you want to be accepting any bonuses. They just get you into trouble more often than not. So in my opinion, I think Alpari's strengths lie in their small deposit and withdrawal requirements, and they have higher than industry returns. I don't like the fact that they charge fees on all their transactions, and they have a limited number of assets, and you can only trade in a base currency of USD. So I guess my advice is probably to check them out yourself. and see if you like their trading platform. And if you actually like the trading platform and it has the assets that you want to trade, and you're happy to wear those, deposit and withdrawal fees, then you're going to probably secure higher returns. So if you have any questions about Alpari binary options, please comment below this video. I'd like to know if you have joined and traded with Alpari binary options and whether your experience was a good one or bad one. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.